So over here, I have a multi-section form, and if I were to go around and click on preview right here, then you can see that I am in one page, and if I were to go around and fill this up and click on next, I am in the second page. But I am not sure how many more pages are to go, or how much more form questions I have to fill. So if you want to give that particular hint to the users, then what you can enable is you can show the progress bar as well. So I'm going to go around and click on back right here, and then I'm going to click on the three dot button to open the form settings. Then I'm going to go around under settings right here, and here you can see that show progress bar is an option. If I were to go around and enable this, then what happens is that in case of a multi-section form, you cannot do this in a one-section form. It has to be multi-section. So once that is done, once that is taken care of, you can go around and click on preview right here, and you can see the progress bar. It says there are 4 pages in total, and this is the first page of the form right here. So now the users know like how many pages they should fill. So if they were to go around and click on next, now you can see that you're on page 2 of 4 right here, and then the users can simply fill out this page right here just like this. Click on next, and you can see that the form keeps the form progress bar keeps on progressing as you fill up the form. And that is how you can show out the progress bar inside of Microsoft Forms. And if you want to disable that, simply go around onto settings again and then disable the show progress bar, and then go to preview, and then you don't see the progress bar anymore once again. So that is how you can show and then disable the progress bar inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.